Circle be unbroken by and by, lo, by and by. Oh, hey, welcome to my campsite. Well, you know, I've already done my sun salutations. I've said my good words to the earth, and I think now it's time to make some coffee. When you're camping, you have to get a little crafty sometimes. Let's say you have whole bean coffee, but you have nothing more than a camp stove and a pot and maybe some water. How do you make coffee? Well, you probably have a hammer because you had to put those stakes in, and if you have some whole bean coffee, you often have a cup. And this is about the right amount of coffee for 32 ounces of brew. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. There's a lot of things about this video that aren't going to be perfect. So I have a towel or a pillowcase or something, but I don't have a grinder. Now what do? I wrap it up in this guy and take out a little morning aggression on my coffee. Now you want to do this about as long as you possibly can till the coffee gets to about drip coffee grind consistency. The next thing you want to do is measure out your water. Now if you don't have a stove, you can do this on a campfire too. We're just going to get that to a good rolling boil, and then we're going to let it sit for about half a minute to cool down just enough. All right, so we've got boiling water. Let's kill it and set a timer for 4.5 minutes. I know you brought your cell phone while you were camping. So we're waiting for the water to cool down, and once it gets about 30 seconds off a rolling boil, that'll work for us. So we're 30 seconds off a rolling boil now, and I'm going to pour my grounds in. All right, we're down to the last couple seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so the next thing you want to do is take a spoon and give it a little break. You want to break the grounds that form at the top. We're going to have to let gravity do its work a little bit. So you just kind of want to use the spoon to hold back the grounds. Everybody's going to get a little grounds in their coffee, but it's better than nothing, right? I've heard this called cowboy coffee. It ain't perfect, but it sure tastes right.